Welcome to the garden. Today I want to show you how I make this little ice lantern. And this is really cool for candles. And it's really simple to make. And when it's really cold in the wintertime, it's fun to have little projects like this to use the cold to your advantage. So I've made this in a yogurt container with a can as the interior mold. And then I've held this can in place by weighing it down with rocks, because when we fill this up with water, the can's going to float. So we're going to just fill this up with tap water, and it'll freeze pretty clear enough for a nice candle. And then this sits in there, and we're going to weigh it down so it still floats, but it's just sitting above the surface. And then I've used cork to space it out just like this, and it's the perfect spacing. So then this sets up overnight just like that, and then you can fill it with either one of these little tea candles or something a little larger that'll last quite a bit longer. These only last an hour or so, maybe a couple more, but these things will last 5 or 6 hours. So they're really great for entertaining. And if you have a few different containers, you can actually make a bunch at the same time, or you can make them ahead of time, and then they're very stable outside. This is just going to be fine out in the cold, and it'll stay nice and solid. So you can make a bunch of these ahead of time, and then just let them sit. And if you have space indoors in your freezer, you could make these in your freezer too. But they're really cool. And then once this is frozen, you just want to bring it indoors and for like a couple minutes, and that'll just thaw it out. And you can pour some water in this can to help release it, and then you just pull out the mold and you get this really beautiful lantern. These look so cool at night. The light shines through them beautifully, and they protect the candles from the wind, and they glow. They're just magnificent. So I hope you give this a go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.